Good morning, guys. We are about to leave right now to go to the airport because we're going to Disney World. Hello guys, we are in Disney. Oh my goodness guys, the crazy morning that we had. Our flight got delayed by 2 hours. We were sitting on the plane. It's okay because we ended up still getting here around 12:30 instead of 10:30. But anyways, we're here and we're going to the water park. It's about 2:30 right now. The water park closes at 5, but we get free passes with our deluxe stay and just because it's check-in day. So we're heading to the water park right now.
Let's go.
Blizzard Beach, here we come. Hi. We took a 10-minute pit stop, ate some food, and now we're gonna go water parks. Charlie's going on. What are you doing?
Summit plummet. Let's go, baby.
And we're gonna go on. Woohoo! Are you scared, Char?
I'm a little scared to get chlorine in my eyes.
That'll be you, Char.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Oh no! Can you get that out?
Oh, shit. No, someone get that.
No, you get it. I got it. Oh my god.
Keira.
Do you want to get a different one? You also didn't get it. There's just a bee in here, guys, and no one was brave enough to get it but Keira.
Oh my god, why am I backwards?
started off going real fast, and now it's
a long ride.
Okay guys, we're back on the gondola again. Here, 1 second, Keira and Noah are in front of us. Hi! We're going back up again, and we're going to ride the family tube ride one more time because Charlie didn't get to come on before. And we'll really fly with all 4 of us on it. So we're riding that one more time, and then I think we're gonna go back to the resort and get ready to go out tonight and check out the resort and maybe go to Disney Springs. We might go for dinner in Disney Springs and then afterwards go to the Polynesian tonight and maybe watch fireworks on the beach. We don't really have a plan. We're kind of go with the flow right now. So we're heading back to get ready after this though. Woohoo! Oh no! That part's just chill. Oh.
You walk right over here in between the 2 buildings. You literally can see Disney Springs. Those little buildings, that's Disney Springs. Oh
Awesome. We just got back right now from the water park, so I'm going to give you a super quick room tour. We are staying in a deluxe studio. It's a preferred deluxe studio. Have not stayed in one of these before, but I'll give you guys a quick look. There is a whole little kitchen area here. When you walk in, I also think these can be conjoining rooms, but obviously this one is locked right now because it's just us. There is this mirror here at the very front. But yes, full kitchen space here, fridge, coffee, microwave, which is really nice, can opener, bottle opener, ice box, and then up here it looks like there's some cups and paper towel. And then down here, space, and yes, perfect fridge. There's also a toaster. This, I think this is probably cleaning stuff because it's locked. And then over here, there is a bathroom area, and I honestly love this because the bathroom is separate from the washroom here, so you can shower and use the bathroom and everyone else can still use the vanity area. And then in here, I believe is a safe, it's a closet, extra pillows and blankets. And then down here, you have extra towels, hair dryer, and yeah, that is this part. And then when you go in, this is the actual main room area. So there is a queen bed, and then there is a pull-out bed. So this pops down, I think just so we can make it more like functional space during the day. But that is the bed here. We obviously have a TV, and then we'll probably share the drawers and everything when we unpack. And then I actually didn't know that we had a balcony. Anyways, this is our view here. We have a corner room. That is our deluxe studio tour. We are about to go get ready and go to either Disney Springs or Polynesian tonight. So we're gonna get ready and we'll bring you guys in a little bit. Time check is 7:50. 7:50. These are my friends. Background. Anyways, we are leaving very shortly to go to, are we going to the Polynesian?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, we're going to the Polynesian to go and get food and watch the fireworks. Let's see it.
As early as tomorrow. With our President's Day sale, you can save.
Wow.
Okay.
2 full years.
I have these pants that I thrifted. Then I have a shirt that was my mom's. And some mustard socks.
Cute.
Yes. ABC denims, black tee.
Then I'm wearing this like dress and a cardigan because it's actually a little chilly out here. And then also this hat. Just kidding, I'm not wearing this to Polynesian, but maybe tomorrow during the day. But yes, this long, like loose, kind of comfy dress, cardigan, and then purse and sandals. That's the vibe. And then yeah, I think we're gonna go to Polynesian, go there for a bit, and then afterwards maybe come back. We are a 10-minute walk from Disney Springs, so we might come back here quickly, freshen up, and then go there tonight. But that's our plan, and we'll be going soon. We're at Polynesian.
Aloha.
Aloha. Smells just as good as it always has. Oh no, guys. Okay, time check, it's 9:10. We just realized that we missed the fireworks show by like 45 minutes because apparently it was today at 8 instead of being at 9, and we looked before this week, it was supposed to be at 9, but the park closes at 9, so maybe that makes sense why they did it earlier. Anyways, okay, we got to see the electric water pageant, and then hopefully we'll come back another day this week to watch it, to be able to give Noah the full experience. But anyways, I guess right now we're just gonna go back and tour Polynesian and hang out here for a little bit and then get some food and go back. But yes, we've seen the fireworks show here a few times, so I feel like we know, but we want Noah to be able to experience it, so we'll maybe be coming back another night this week. Hey guys, we're back at Captain Cook's getting some late night nibbles. Okay guys, time check is 9:50. We're eating food. All of us are super tired from our busy days today. I think we're gonna eat this food tonight and then go back, maybe play some cards, hang out, chill, and then wake up tomorrow because we have a full another Disney day ahead of us. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye! Bye!
Hello everyone, and welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Transportation System. We're on our way to Disney Springs.